The US government shutdown continues into its second week, and concerns are mounting for millions of taxpayers. With nearly half of IRS staff furloughed, many Americans are asking, will the upcoming October 15 tax filing deadline be extended? According to the IRS, tax laws remain in effect, and filing deadlines are not automatically delayed. That means even with offices closed and staffing reduced, taxpayers are still required to file their 2024 returns on time or risk penalties. The shutdown has left the Internal Revenue Service grappling with significant disruptions. Only about 53% of IRS employees remain on duty, while the rest are in a furloughed non-pay status. The IRS had initially used funds from the Inflation Reduction Act to maintain operations during the first 5 days of the shutdown, but that funding is no longer active. For those who were granted an extension earlier this year, the October 15 deadline remains firm. Missing it could result in a failure to file penalty of 5% of unpaid taxes for each month the return is late, plus accruing interest on outstanding balances. Experts emphasize that the tax clock does not stop for government shutdowns. For taxpayers, this means several things. Electronic filing is strongly recommended as paper returns may face delays. Direct deposit is advised for refunds as processing times may be longer. Those mailing paper returns should expect slower processing. Any payment owed should ideally be made electronically to avoid complications. There are some exceptions. Taxpayers affected by federally declared disasters such as recent wildfires in California may qualify for additional time. This includes residents in parts of California, Texas, Kentucky, Mississippi, Virginia, and West Virginia who may have until November 3 or later to file. The IRS has confirmed that despite the furloughs and office closures, automated systems for e-file returns and electronic payments remain active. However, response times to inquiries may be longer and refunds could take more time than usual. The bottom line, the IRS will not extend the October 15 filing deadline due to the shutdown. Taxpayers are encouraged to file on time, pay electronically, and keep records of their filings. Taxpayers are encouraged to file on time, pay electronically, and keep records of their filings. While the shutdown has created uncertainty, tax obligations remain unchanged. For Americans affected by disasters or other emergencies, extensions may still apply, but otherwise, the clock is ticking.